Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel Mike on the Bike, the channel where we put a microphone on a motorcycle to let you hear the sound of the bike. And in this video we got the 2020 Yamaha MT-10-SP, and the SP is the awesome version of the already awesome MT-10, which means the electronic suspension, Öhlin suspension and the Akrapovic. And I mentioned before, it's all about the exhaust on this channel, so let's put a mic on this bike and hear what it sounds like. So that was the sound video for the MT-10-SP. I have to say I really like this one. In the previous video you saw the R1, which I was a little bit disappointed about. This one actually sounds a lot better, which is a bit strange or surprising, as it's more or less the same engine, same configuration, only it's the naked version of the R1. But I really like this sound, so I hope you liked the video. If you do, please give me the thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. For now, thanks for watching, drive safe and see you in the next one.